Today's recipe is going to be my favorite banana bread with nuts. So we're gonna need 4 bananas, 2 eggs, 125 grams of chopped almonds, sliced almonds, and walnuts. This is another 50 grams of walnuts and sliced almonds. That's for the top. 100 grams of brown sugar, 125 grams of butter, unsalted butter, 4 grams of your favorite vanilla, 30 grams of grapeseed oil. I like grapeseed because it doesn't have any flavor. The zest of 1 lemon, 40 grams of honey, 40 grams of honey, 100 grams of sourdough starter. If you don't have sourdough starter, you can do without it. 240 grams of flour, and I put in this mix 3 grams of baking soda and a pinch of salt. It's all mixed together. Let's go to the step by step. We're gonna start with 100 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of brown sugar, and 100 butter, now we're gonna add the eggs. We add the 2 eggs. Add the 4th banana. 2. Now we're going to add the flour in a very slow speed. Add the nuts and the zest of 1 lemon, and now you mix. Now you just need to pour into the dish. Now it's time for the nuts. put a little bit of sugar, just a pinch of sugar to the nuts here. Now we're ready. 150 degrees.